Number 6 in the multiple choice says which has the same value as sine of pi over 6. So first of all, let's go ahead and chart out what this triangle looks like for pi over 6. If we want to convert pi over 6 back into the degree, that would be multiplying by 180 over pi, which gives us a 30-degree angle. So 30-degree angle is right over here, and that is 30 degrees. And so if we were to draw the triangle that contains the 30 degree, this is what it looks like. And so we are looking at the sine of 30 degrees. So sine of pi over 6 is actually equal to, using a 30-60, the side length ratios of a 30-60-90 is 1, radical 3, and 2. And so we know that the sine of pi over 6 or 30 degrees is actually opposite over hypotenuse, which is 1 over 2. So we know the value of sine of pi over 6 is actually equal to 1/2. So let's take a look at all of the answer choices here to see which one actually have 1/2 as an answer. So the cosine of pi over 6, which means the cosine of 30 degrees, is actually equal to adjacent of hypotenuse. And we know that adjacent of 30 degrees is radical 3 over hypotenuse is 2, so that does not have a value of 1/2. The cosine of pi over 3, well, we know that pi over 3 converted into degree is actually 60 degrees. So we're looking at the cosine of 60 degrees angle. Well, the cosine of 60 degrees is actually equal to the adjacent over hypotenuse, but adjacent to the 60 degree is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. So far we know that this actually is the answer, and if we wanted to, we would confirm the rest of them are not. So we can just actually finish really quick. This is actually going to be equivalent to the sine of 60 degree, which is opposite over hypotenuse, that is radical 3 over 2, so that is not the answer. And this is going to give you a negative sine of 30 degrees, because we know that pi over 6 is 30, so it's going to give us a negative sine of 30 degrees, which is opposite over hypotenuse again, or negative 1/2. So again, that is not going to give us a value of 1/2. So the only choice that has the correct choice is B, which is 1/2.